Provings, man. Well, there's so many substances out there that we could do new provings of. There's poisonous stuff everywhere. Wow. But then there's another question. What about doing replicated provings of substances we think we know about? And then there's the issue, once you've done a really well-designed homeopathic proving, perhaps of a replicated trial, then let's evaluate, let's analyse that information really carefully and start drilling down into it well. Now, that means that we're in the 21st century. We've got technologies. We've got amazing opportunities to do big, international, multi-centred, powered, relevant homeopathic provings. And there's been some attempts before, you know, lots of envelopes flying around the world. But I think we're at a time where we've got the skills and we've got the will to conduct some very, very robust, sound, methodological, good designed homeopathic provings. One of the exciting possibilities that we have is to use a trial design that seems at this stage seriously robust, maybe with a couple of tweaks. One of the things that we can do is do a trial. They call it a three-arm trial, where you have two substances, two homeopathic preparations and a placebo substance, which is distributed amongst a whole lot of provers. You do the proving. You gather the information and you collate that information, and a nice sound process around that. But then what next is really, really important. It revolves around an expert or a panel of experts then looking at that data and seeing if the question can be asked and answered. Can an expert predict what that symptom or where that symptom came from? Which of those possibilities? Now, in the early work that has been conducted so far, and the pilot trials and the other work that's been done, it seems that it is, well, more than possible, with some really encouraging results, that challenges the question, or the challenge to homeopathy, that it's a placebo response, that it's an elaborate placebo response. If that's the case, how can an expert predict what the placebo was and where it came from? So that's one of the exciting developments that's there. The will is there, the funding is likely to be there, and the expertise around the world is there too.